Do you want to have unlimited Zoom participants on limited number of screens? Do you want to have a real-life experience while training on virtual platform? Are you confused what kind of components are required for the same? If your answer to these questions is yes, you are watching the right video. Hello all and welcome to bitsydisplays.com. In this video, we will explain how we have built up a 360-degree studio for one of our clients, and will also narrate in detail what all components are required to build the studio from scratch. Now, let's quickly meet the client, Mr. Vishal Malkan, to understand his requirements.
Hi, my name is Vishal Malkan. I'm the founder of Malkan's U Training Institute. We are basically into training programs, and we used to do a lot of physical events around the country like Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, teaching people how to trade stock market in a simple way. And then COVID hit in 2020 and the whole business came to a standstill. But we never want to give up, and we started thinking about how we can bring the same live experience into a studio. So we had a 700 feet studio and we wanted to create a 360-degree effect where it's exactly like a live event. And we were struggling with ideas and we were struggling with people, and then we met Satish, the owner of Bitsy, and he said we can do it. And then we started brainstorming. We had just 40 days for our event called ABCD, Anybody Can Trade, and we had to create the whole studio right from scratch.
Now let's see what solution company's technical director, Mr. Satish Vilayat, suggested.
Hi, my name is Satish Vilayat and I am the owner of Bitsy Infotech Private Limited. We are a 27 years young company into technology solutions. So, Mr. Vishal Malkan had that vision in his mind that he wants to create a 360-degree participant's view where he can go and interact with each and every participant as if he is doing in real life. So that was a challenge to us. And the worst part of it was, he told he wants it in 40 days. 40 days, full studio, 360 degrees. I was wondering whether we'll be able to do it or not. But we are a company who like to take up challenges. So without thinking much, I committed. This was a studio just 700 square feet. And this experience had to be made in this 700 square feet. So we had many brainstorming sessions, lot of demos happening. The second challenge which we faced, that it had a height of only 11 feet. In this 11 feet, we had to accommodate the stage, the lighting, as well as get the frame right so that it looks huge on the screen.
And this is how the studio started to take shape. Active LED video wall. LED video wall technology is becoming increasingly popular due to its ability to deliver seamless images, scalability to any size or shape, and excellent optimal characteristics that make video wall content look great from any angle. We have deployed active LED video wall with pixel size P1.5 for this particular studio. Video processors. This is a device that makes a single image appear and move seamlessly across the multiple screens of a video wall. Video processors form a large cohesive image and then send pieces of it to individual screens for display, without which a video wall would simply be a bank of digital screens, each showing something different. We have used video processor with 16 HDMI input and 16 HDMI output for this particular studio. In this kind of a studio setup, where it is just not one-way communication but an active interaction with the audience, a lot of things are happening simultaneously, like background music is being played, noise of the studio crew members, speaker is addressing, participants are asking questions and also replying to the asked questions. Audio mixture is a small device that makes a lot of difference. It takes multiple inputs from all the devices and gives desired output, cancelling the unnecessary noise. Video mixtures, like audio mixtures, were used to take inputs of video from all the direction and all the activities happening in the video and give desired output. For example, enlargement of screen of the participant who is speaking or answering the question, or focusing it on the VIPs in the audience. Right type of mics makes a lot of difference, as what speaker says reaches the audience through the mic. While choosing the mic, our focus was more on noise cancellation and sharp communication. Earset head-worn cardioid microphone did the trick for us. The next most important part is acoustic, as it prevents the echo and enhances the quality of the training. Gone are the days of fiber acoustic, and we have gone with the latest trend of polyester sheets for best results. The balloon burst test was done to understand the reverberations of the place, and it helped us to choose the right kind of acoustic. We went ahead and used acoustic clouds on the ceiling and acoustic flooring. Another very important component is lighting. The kind of lights we used are bar lights, wash lights, RGB lights and Sharpie lights. This could help to keep focus not only on the speaker but also the content that has been shown on the screen. The right kind of arrangement of lights also ensured no shadowing. These lights were best even when dancing was done as a recreational activity in the studio. Light changing features were also available according to the change in audio and mood. We had different light setup done for meditations also. All the above efforts would be in vain if there were no right cameras to capture the event in the studio. We decided to use broadcast cameras with PTZ capacity that could record and capture 4K resolution. Total 4 cameras were used, 3 stationary cameras that would capture front and 2 side views, and 1 moving camera to capture everything that's happening in the studio. For this kind of a studio setup, a higher end workstation is needed to support and control all the devices mentioned till now. We have used workstations with i9 11th generation processor, high capacity RAM, storage and graphic card.
So finally the D-Day came in. We were all very nervous and perplexed. We were waiting that everything should happen seamless, and it happened. Right from morning 9 to evening 7:30 without any glitch. It ran well for 4 days back to back. So finally BITSY team could accomplish the mission. For the first time in India, 360 degrees virtual online Zoom training studio accomplished in 40 days. I like to thank Mr. Vishal Malkan to give me this opportunity, and special thanks to my team who stood hand in hand to finish this project on time. Now we are having 3 studios and things doesn't look challenging.
I would appreciate BITSY team and BITSY people for doing that in no time. Plus they created the same 360 degree studio with all LED walls all across, acoustics treatment. They had all the 3D plans ready, and it was like 24-hour work for almost 30 days. And we finally achieved our success with doing this event with 1800 people on screen, on Zoom, interacting with me with lots of energy and lots of fun, and it went a big success. So I congratulate BITSY for doing a fantastic job, and I highly recommend if you are looking for a 360 virtual studio, then BITSY is the name. Thank you so much. Good luck and good trading.